Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's Double Knitted Brioche ebook. This particular tutorial shows you how to work the simple left-leaning crossed double decrease in inverted double knitted brioche. It's inverted because we're working with the colour switched over. That means that all of my knit stitches are created with my pearl coloured yarn, and all of my pearl stitches are created with my knit coloured yarn. It's a cross double decrease because it sends the centre stitch to the back and crosses the outer two stitches over in front of it, with the right stitch on top, looking like this decrease leans over to the left. I'm working in inverted double knitted brioche, so I've got both of my yarns at the back of the work going over the top of my right needle. And because this is a simple double decrease, I've already rearranged my stitches from their usual knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl order to the required knit, 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 purl, purl, purl order. There's already a tutorial in this series to show you how to do that. It's the same for standard mode and inverted mode, so I didn't feel the need to make another video for that. Here they are then, my 3 adjacent blue knit stitches followed by my 3 adjacent brown purl stitches. And here's how we work the decrease. Slip 1 stitch with its yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right. Then I slip 2 stitches with their yarn overs together and knitwise from the left needle to the right, which means going into 2 of them together as if to knit 2 together, but instead of working them, you just slip them over from the left needle to the right like that. Then I'm going to slip all 3 stitches with their yarn overs, this time purlwise, from the right needle back over to the left. Then with my pearl coloured yarn, that's this one over here, I'm going to knit these 3 stitches with their yarn overs together through the back legs. So going in like so, and using my pearl coloured yarn to knit those 3 stitches together through the back legs. Then I work my inverted yarn over manoeuvres, which means bringing both of my yarns to the front of the work, coming between the 2 needles, then taking my pearl coloured yarn to the back once more, going over the top of the right needle like so. Then I slip 1 stitch with its yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right. Do the same with the 2nd stitch, knitwise again, and the 3rd stitch, knitwise again from the left needle to the right. Then I can slip all 3 stitches with the yarn overs, purlwise this time, from the right needle back over to the left, making sure I keep that pearl coloured yarn over the top of the right needle at all times. Now I'm going to slip 1 stitch with its yarn over purlwise through the back leg from the left needle to the right, which means going in behind the stitch, entering from that angle with the yarn over, coming towards me and slipping it over. Then I'm going to do the same with the next 2 stitches together. So slipping 2 stitches together with the yarn overs, also purlwise through the back leg, going round behind both and in from that angle, coming towards you and slipping them across like that. Then I slip all 3 stitches with the yarn overs, just purlwise, normal purlwise this time, back from the right needle to the left. That's all 6 strands there, the yarn overs and their stitches. Then with my knit coloured yarn, I'm going to purl all 3 of those stitches with the yarn overs together, just through the front legs as normal, making sure as I complete the stitch and slide those off the left needle that I keep that blue yarn over in place over the top of that new stitch there. Then I finish everything off by taking my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work. Let's have a look at what we've achieved there. Give it a little pull to keep everything nice and tidy. And you can see these 3 columns of stitches coming together. The centre one tucks itself out of the way behind the other 2, and the right one sits on top, so the decrease looks like it leans to the left. Then turning it over, we see a mirror image and negative image of that, with the same things going on with the centre stitch tucking itself out the way at the back and the left stitch sitting on top, so this one leans to the right on this side. As with all the simple decreases in this set, you do get to see the little colour blips of the yarn overs peeking in between the stitches there, but that's not a major issue, it's just a product of the technique. And that's all you need to know about how to work the simple left-leaning crossed double decrease in inverted double knitted brioche.